Hey Prof, what is important for the welding of complex pipe structures?
My pleasure to explain. First of all, we have to state that nearly all complex pipe structures today are welded manually. You need a really skilled, extremely experienced welder. These are not linear welds, it's non-linear three-dimensional welds. In most cases, you have 6-sheet applications, you have special materials. That means you have to do multi-pass welding of three-dimensional welds. That needs a very high skill level. On the other hand, we all know we have a lack of welders. So also here, you have to automate, but there are solutions available now. For example, you can put a cobot on a positioning band, and by using camera systems and an intelligent software, this system can automatically carry out these nonlinear welds, even multipass welding. A second example is that you use a forklift, and on this forklift you place the cobot, also then equipped with a camera system and combined with the software, and allows to carry out these complex three-dimensional weldments. Any questions for the Weld Prof? Please contact me.